Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly is about to watch a movie, I believe. And just got a package from the cubicle.com. I want to do an unboxing. Magic Cube. It's the clicker. I hope they gave me the right one. It doesn't say clicker on there. That's the, of course, that's a 2x2. And this is the 3x3 clicker. So I got, well, I like this packaging. It's nice. And I got the 4x4 clicker. Nice. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the packaging. Yeah. It's reflects the light. And at the box doesn't even feel cheap. I like that. It's nice. 1, 2, 3. A cubicle.com card. And a cubicle mat. I got this one for free, by the way. Thank you, Cubicle. I appreciate it. That's it. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. It's very nice. It's just like my other ones. It's just, you know, different color and different. I like the red border. Alright, time to replace this one. Oh yeah, give me a little bit of color over here. Nice. Cubicle.com. Yeah, I really like their mini mats. They're nice. I think they're pretty good quality. Alright, put that over there. Alright, here we go. 2x2x2 from YJ. It is the YJ YuPo 2x2 V3 magnetic plus clicky. That's why I got him. Got it. Was out tearing up the box. I don't like to tear up the box in case I have to return it for some reason. It feels like it has a texture to it. It's definitely not UV coated. Typical Rubik's Cube colors. Oh, that's a traditional. That's what I like. All right, let's check it out. That is nice. That is nice. I like it. I like it. I like it. Ooh. Comes with, I don't know because it's all in Chinese, so it's not gonna help me out. Oh, this doesn't have any logo on it. Oh, interesting. Alright, let's see if I can solve this one.
It's kinda slicky. It's not so bricky. It's so nice, not so icky. Solve the cube. It's not so tricky. Need a satisfying solve. Have a quickie. Try this cube. Don't be so nitpicky. My clicky. Clicky from Motor City to Mississippi, from Atlantic City all the way to Panama City. I got my clicky. I got my clicky. I got my clicky. I got my clicky.
There's something like drags, like when you unclick it, something drags, and I think when it gets to a spot, that's when it clicks. So it's dragging along the side, and then when it hits the open area, it goes click. This was making that click sound. So it's dragging, see it? And then click. I like it. Throw that back in there. That's how the box looks. You can see it reflects. I like that. That's nice. Yeah. Ooh, I love the feel of this one. I love the feel of that. Whoa, that's nice. And it has a logo. Nice. Oh, yes. This is definitely a Clicky. Just like the other one, it's like it's dragging until it hits that open area, and then it goes click, click. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look how shiny that is. And this was $7.99. Can you believe that? Look, I'm not locking up. Let's see. It's not bad. Not bad. Yeah. Look how shiny that is. I know you can see it. I don't know why I'm whispering. That is nice, so nice. This definitely has a better click than this one, but I like this one too. Actually, it has like a dipping click. So yeah, I can't really compare them. Oh yeah, it's definitely a nice fidget tool. Alright, let's check out. Look how shiny that is. It's just a regular box, but the box is a very nice box. I like it. Doesn't have anything fancy in it. It's just a cube and some Chinese directions on how to solve. I guess it's to solve it. Nice. Yeah, I like the packaging. It feels nice too. What I like about this is you get a cube, you don't get all the fancy stuff, but it brings the price down because some people can't afford all that fancy stuff. Alright, I got that one open good. Easy. Oh. Cool. Does this have a logo? No. The only one that had a logo was the UV version. It's a YJ YuSu 4x4 V3 magnetic plus Clicky with no UV. Alright, the 4x4 seemed like a nice cube, it really does. But it's not clicking. It's clicking, but not that loud. Definitely needs some lube though. Combine something. No. This one right here. Yep, that one is good. Let's do a, yeah, that's good. I got it. There you go. Nice. I'm not feeling the 4x4. I'm not feeling it. It does click, but not a loud click. I can hear more of the scratching in between than the click. So I don't like this one. And it's catching, so is it adjustable? I don't think it is. Yeah, I know. This cube is just loud. Okay. Oh, the 4x4 was $10.99. For $10.99, it's not bad. Yeah. But I got it for the clickiness. Yeah, it's not clicking loud enough. Not like that. This is a clicky. Yeah. So let's... And I like this one too. And I don't mind the feel for it. I'm going to give this a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. So it's going to be a 4. I don't round up and round down. I'm going to give this one a 4. But I like it. I really do. And this one, if I have to grade them on a curve, this one is definitely A-OK-O. And this one you can't hear at all. Watch. It just feels like something's wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. That's just the way it clicks, but... So the clicking sound is not, if you bought this cube for the click, this one is not clicking too much. So I'm going to give this one, for why I bought it for, I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 for the 4x4. A 4 out of 5 for the 2x2. This one is a 5. The 3x3 is a winner. Big time. Oh man, look at that. I could be downstairs just watching a movie. Yeah, I definitely like this one a lot. I'm glad I got this one. And I'm not disappointed, like I said, with the 2x2. This one, I could have waited. There you have it. And I got mine. I got this for free. Thank you very much. And I like it. I usually don't like the colorful ones, but this one's actually pretty nice. The color smash is really good. I like it. That's a nice design. I like that one. Yeah, this is very satisfying. I like it. Definitely recommend it. I got all my cubes from thecubicle.com, and if you want to buy any of these, I might have an affiliate link in the description. If they have it linked to, I'll have to check it out. And if you want to save 5%, type in Gonzo in the discount code area. Gonzo, that's Gonzo, and you can get a little discount. So go ahead and support me. I don't really get any kickback from that. It's just it shows them that I'm bringing people to the store. So that might lead to big and better things. You know what I mean? That's cool. Yeah, that's good. So, all right, everybody, stay safe with the snowstorm. If you don't have to go out, don't go out because it's going to be icy and it's going to be a lot of snow, depending where you're at, of course. So stay home, relax. Oh yeah, this 2x2 is good too. All right, this video is getting way too long. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
My clicky, 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 kinda slicky, it's not so pretty, it's so nice, not so icky. Solve the cube, it's not so tricky, need a satisfying solve. Have a quickie, try this cube, don't be so nitpicky. My clicky, 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 clicky. Clicky, YJ YuPo, feeling like a king. The clicks satisfy like the joy they bring. UV coated shine bright under the sun.